Good afternoon YouTube, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be episode number 2 in the 500 to 15,000 pound car flipping frenzy challenge, whatever you want to call it. So we've been proper lucky, the Peugeot is winging its way to a new home now, so we've been to the auctions again and we've bought something else. You'll have to excuse me because obviously the wind is not great today, so it might be picking up on the mic. Really sorry if it is, but anyway guys, so let's have a look at the car we've bought. Okay, as you can see, my glamorous assistant sat in the car, young Stephen. So, seems the reflection. There he is. Young Steve, he's just validating the inside of the car for me. So the car we have bought ourselves, it's a Fiat. So we've bought ourselves a little Fiat Panda. Okay, the car itself, okay, so the wheel trims need looking at. But the door looks like it's a little bit rusty. Okay, around the back of the car, not a great issue. However, the obvious issue is the dent. It's had a good whack at the back, but hopefully we should be able to push that back out. Bottom of the car again is scuffed, so again that's just be a touch up with the paint. Car just needs a good clean. Round to the passenger side, there's a few bits and nicks and crannies on the door. Again, down here. There's a few paint chips there, but again nothing major. Wheel trims again, we'll get them off, get them painted. The car itself is covered 31,000 miles I believe. Just get the sign off, it's getting a bit freezing, it's freezing. Hey Steve. It's my business partner, Steve. Oh, it's freezing, Steve. So bog standard interior in the car. Steve, say hi. Don't think he said hi. Car itself is covered 31,000 miles. If it wants to focus, bloody hell, come on, behave yourself. 31k, I'll get that up on the board, 2 seconds. Okay, it's covered, it's focus, come on. 31,672 miles on an 09. It's had 2 owners, the car. I believe the car's had say 2 owners, ooh, extreme close up. Car's had 2 owners, I believe it was his dad and probably his son. He's given the car to his son. Awfully nice of my dad to give me a car. Yeah, so it's a 2 owner car. The car itself, like I say, covers 31,000 miles. The only bad bit really is that dent at the back. And if you just look over the back, well I'll show you when we have a proper walk, when I do a proper walk around the car, that the back seat bench doesn't actually match the actual interior. It's blue for some reason. I don't know, it looks like there's been a dog in here at some point anyway, so it's no massive issues having Steve in, because obviously the car will be cleaned before we sell it. And valeted thoroughly, because it's pretty minging, I'm not going to lie. This is going to be a seat out job and a wet back, but yeah, so the car itself, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest with you. We didn't pay a great chunk of change. We'll do the numbers at the end of the video. I think we paid £700 for the car. I'm expecting probably to get our door pushed out, then valet the car. I reckon I'll probably have about a day in it. Everything works in the car anyway. So I think we'll have about a day of labour cleaning the car, buffing it up and such. That's something, Steve. Day of labour in the car. So I'm reckoning, this could be about potentially £2,000 sale. Just the low mileage. The car's got some service history. I've not been through the book pack yet. So we're literally just picking the car up now. But anyway, what we'll do is we will go and get some fuel. We'll drive it home. We'll have a proper look around when we get home. Anyway, guys, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think of the car. Do you think the car's going to be a good flip? It's ideal car to flip, or do you think it's going to be a bust? I think we're still going to make money on the car at the £700 that we're in the car with at the moment. Other thing is, the car needs an MOT, so we'll get it in for that, see how we get on. I think we'll be okay. Anyway, yeah, let's drive the car on. So it is the day after we got the Panda back. Unfortunately, I've lost all the footage. So that's gone. So at the moment we've got the Panda going down for an MOT today. Fingers crossed that's going to pass. The Peugeot's away. We've still got the Mini, and I've also been a bit hasty in buying the next car for the £515,000 challenge. I did promise we'd go through the numbers on the last video for the Peugeot. We won't do it today in this video. We will do a roundup one, we'll catch up. So at the moment to go, we've got Mini, the Panda, hopefully if it goes through its MOT today, and we have another car which you will see probably in the coming days, coming week. We're doing alright. We have started out with £500 obviously on the Peugeot. We've made some good profit on the Peugeot, to be honest with you. Hopefully we should have the rest of the cars away shortly, and look at what we could do next. I'm sort of thinking I'm going to stick around the lower end of the market. You know, so we should have a good chunk of change once we've moved the Panda on. Peugeot's gone. The Mini's not part of the series. We'll keep the Mini separately. Some on the side. Cause it's still got quite a lot of work to do on that. Hopefully we shall have parts for that today. The next car's pretty interesting. It's not something I'd normally buy. I'll give you a clue. It's a Clio. It's not a Clio. It's a Kia. But you'll see that again anyway. So I reckon we'll have another video on the Panda, prepping it, ready to sell, and then we'll probably have the new car. But anyway guys, sorry I've lost the footage for the rest of the video on the Panda. I'm going to stick a little bit of the drive home. I did manage to salvage a little bit of it, but it's not a lot. But anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Peace out. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really does help. Give me a thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments what you think about the videos, if you like the series, if you don't like the series. Anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Peace.